In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix vertical scrolling or rolling end credits text in CapCut. If you've ever tried to create those classic movie-style end credits in CapCut, you might have noticed that sometimes the text doesn't scroll smoothly. It can look jerky, move too fast or too slow, or cut off at the top or bottom of the screen. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to set up and adjust your vertical scrolling text so it looks clean and professional. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure you have your main video or background clip already on the timeline. This could be a solid color, a gradient, or footage that will sit behind your credits. It's important to decide how long you want your credits to last, because that will affect the speed of the scroll. Next, go to the text section and add a new text layer. Choose the basic text option so you have full control, type or paste in all of your credits text. It's usually better to put all the credits in a single text box, stacked line by line, instead of creating many separate text layers. This makes the scrolling much smoother and easier to manage. Now, resize and position the text. Use the handles to make the text box tall enough so all of your lines fit comfortably. Place the text so that at the starting point, it sits below the visible frame, or just at the bottom edge of the screen. This is where we'll begin the animation, so it scrolls upward. With the text layer selected, look for the animation options and choose a vertical scrolling or upward movement effect. If you don't see a preset that says scroll, you can create the movement manually with keyframes. Set the first keyframe with the text below the frame, then move the playhead to the end of the credits and drag the text up until the last lines have passed above the top of the screen. That gives you a full, smooth roll from bottom to top. Adjust the duration of the text layer to control speed. A longer duration means a slower, more readable scroll. A shorter duration makes it faster. Play the preview and tweak the timing until the credits are easy to read without dragging on too long. Finally, check for any cut-off letters, spacing issues, or jerky motion. If anything looks off, slightly adjust the starting and ending positions or extend the text layer a bit more. Once you're happy with the result, export your video and you'll have clean, professional-looking vertical end credits in CapCut.